Hello and welcome back to another segment of What's Up with Nick and Chuck. I'm Andy, the marketing guy from HUI, and as always I have with me Nick Rolfe and Chuck Schwarz, our medical business development directors here at HUI.
Hey everybody.
Hey everyone.
Alright, so guys, last two segments we discussed the standard carts that HUI offered. We first started out with our newest cart, the Versa Plus, and then last week we discussed the VersaStar, which is the cart we released at the beginning of the year. So today I would like to talk about our third standard cart option, which is actually the cart we first released over 10 years ago. So Nick, can you give me a little bit more history about the Versa Plus, or the VersaStar?
Yeah, so the VersaStar cart, like Andrew said, has been around for about 10 years, and over the course of 10 years, what we've seen with that cart is that people like to take a baseline standard cart and modify it to fit their product or to fit their needs. So we really came up with a standard cart where people can mount different solutions to the column. We can customize the top for them. And now we're to the point where we can actually customize the branding of it in terms of color and caster options. So it's been a really popular cart for small devices, and there's a lot of different configurations that people have done with the cart over the years. And from an engineering standpoint, we can make those design modifications in about a 2 to 4 week period, which is a really quick turnaround time for our custom standard cart design.
Chuck, can you tell us more benefits that our customers are seeing with this cart?
Sure, Andy. There's a couple of things. So first off, some of the customers actually really like the flexibility in regards to the shipping. So we do have the capability of shipping the cart fully assembled, ready to go out of the box. That way it can show up at our customer's facility, they can populate it with their devices, and it's ready for their customers or the final end user. In other configurations, we also take and ship the cart semi-assembled and packed into a flat pack. So the box ends up being very small, manageable. You can actually ship it UPS ground, FedEx, UPS. You don't have to ship it utilizing freight and then the charges that are associated with it. Another feature that a lot of people like is the mounting configurations. There's a 3-hole pattern that's fixed on 2 sides of the cart, and the 3-hole pattern allows for custom accessories to be mounted onto the column of the cart. That 3-hole pattern is also accompanied by internal cable management. So a lot of customers like the fact that they can make customizations to the column of the cart and still retain the cable management feature of the column. The thing that people really utilize the most at HUI is that they'll take and customize the top of the cart specifically for their application. So a lot of times customers have a specific device or it's going into a specific market. There has to be customizations to make it their own and to match their branding. The top of the cart is fully open to those customizations, and our design engineers can take and modify that top to fit various applications. We have some pieces that have a tablet mount over the top, such as the cart behind me. There's other configurations that have flex arms coming off of it, and there's also enclosures on the top of the cart that take and house devices internally.
And if you go to our website, you'll see different examples of those cart configurations of what we've done from a customization standpoint.
Alright, well that was a lot of great information on our standard carts of what HUI offers. If you'd like more information on our standard carts, please see the link in the description of the video. If you have any questions for either Nick or Chuck, you can get their contact information at the end of the video as well. So once again, we'd like to thank you for watching. Have a great day and stay safe.
Thanks everybody.
Take care.